Assalamu alaikum. Hey, this is Nusrat, Head of Education at Musaffa. Finding the right stocks to invest in can feel overwhelming, but with our recently launched Halal Stock Screener, it's actually become pretty simple. Let me show you how to use the filters to find stocks that match your investment strategy. First, go to the Halal Stock Screener from the sidebar. At the top, you'll see an option to change the country, allowing you to focus on stocks from specific markets. Now let's go over the two main sections of the screener: Musaffa filtering and filters. The Musaffa filtering section helps you filter stocks based on Sharia compliance. Under the compliance filters, you can sort stocks based on their Sharia compliance status like halal, doubtful, or not halal, and halal rating. Then, under financial screening, there are filters like halal revenue percent, which lets you filter stocks based on how much of their revenue comes from halal sources. You'll also find filters for not halal revenue percent, doubtful revenue percent, interest-bearing assets percent, and interest-bearing debt percent, which helps you ensure that the stocks align with Islamic financial principles. The stock filters section contains a wide range of filters to refine your search based on different criteria. Popular filters include commonly used options like sector, analyst rating, market cap, or PE ratio. Under general information, you can filter stocks based on factors like the exchange they are listed on, sector, stock price, and number of employees. As you explore these filters, you'll notice a question mark icon next to many of them. If you're unsure what a filter does, simply hover over the icon and a small explanation will appear. This makes it easy to understand how each filter works without needing to leave the page. If you're interested in stock performance, the price, volume, and trading metrics section allows you to track how stocks have changed over time. You can use filters like 52-week high or low, price change for different periods, 1 month, 1 year, or 3 years, and volume to analyze trends. When identifying undervalued or overvalued stocks, use valuation metrics. This section includes metrics like PE ratio, PS ratio, PB ratio, and other metrics. If you want to assess financial performance, the financial performance section provides filters like earnings per share, revenue, net income, and gross margin, giving insights into how well a company is doing. There are also financial ratios that help evaluate liquidity and debt levels, including quick ratio, debt to equity, and asset turnover. If you're curious about a company's growth over the past few years, check out the growth metrics section. There, you'll find filters for both revenue growth and asset growth over 3-year and 5-year periods. And if you're looking for dividend-paying stocks, you can use the dividend section, which includes filters for dividend per share and dividend yield to find stocks that provide regular income. Now, let's see this in action with a practical example. Suppose I want to invest in halal stocks in the energy sector that pay attractive dividends. First, I select the halal option from the compliance status filter to ensure all of my results are Sharia-compliant. Next, I choose the energy sector under the sector filter. To ensure I'm picking strong stocks, I set the analyst rating filter to buy. Then, I focus on mid-sized companies by selecting mid-cap under the market cap classification. Finally, since I'm looking for good dividend payers, I set the dividend yield filter to over 5%. And there we go. Within just a few clicks, I have a refined list of stocks matching my exact criteria. You can experiment with these filters to find stocks that best suit your investment goals.